So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do in Affinity is work around with text decorations. So to do that, first of all, you need to go around over here onto, let's say, for example, artistic text tool or frame text tool. Then I'm going to go around over here and type in TutorTube right here. So let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and make this text artistic right here. Make it design-wise very good. So to do that, what you can do is you can go around over here onto Windows, then onto Text, and here what you can do is go to Character, and then the Character option pops up. So here what you can do now is you can go ahead and then let's say for example expand out decoration. You can underline it right here. So do basic decoration. Double underline is here. As you can see, you can change the width of the text right here just like this as well. So there's many different options, like you can go ahead and change the color of the underline. You can strike through the text right here, double strike through the text and so forth. And you can even go ahead and choose the color of the strike through as well, as per how you want. So you can really see that you can go ahead and change out the design. So this is what you have, and then you can even go ahead and choose the outline design as well. Let's say for example, I'm going to go ahead and say blue outline right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, you can change around, let's say for example, the width right here. You can change around the style right here and then work around with different options. As you can see right here, you can go ahead and change the cap right here just like this, and then work around with inside, keep the outline inside or outside right here just like this, and work around with it. So that is basically how you can go ahead and make your text look really wonderful by using Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.